What if a single mission could cripple an enemy's war machine? Operation Tidal Wave was such an audacious plan. On August 1st, 1943, 177 B-24 Liberators took off from Libya, aiming to strike Romania's Ploiești oil fields, a critical fuel source for the Axis powers. The mission's goal was to deliver a decisive blow by destroying the refineries that produced a third of the Axis oil supply. Navigating through treacherous skies, the low-altitude flight faced fierce anti-aircraft defenses. While the operation inflicted significant damage, it came at a high cost. 54 planes were lost, and nearly 310 airmen perished or were captured. This daring raid showcased the bravery and sacrifice of those involved, leaving a lasting impact on military strategy.